This is Montenegro, where mountains fall straight into the sea, where every turn hides a new shade of blue. Stone towns whisper centuries of stories, and the Adriatic moves at its own rhythm. Wild and timeless and calm, this isn't just a coast. It's a feeling.